Don't write me, it's Christmas Day, love me baby.
Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Ho ho ho! Christmas is around the corner. I love the Christmas season because Christmas is about love and joy that make the season so special. Besides, handmade gifts are also one of the best part of the holiday. Today, follow me through this step-by-step tutorial to guide you to make the Christmas tree quilling card. There are 3 options for you to choose on. I can guarantee you it's a very easy beginner-friendly tutorial. Besides Christmas tree, I will upload some Christmas decorative pattern quilling on my next coming video. So remember to subscribe my channel, please. And hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. And hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you! Without further ado, let's begin. First, let's start with Christmas tree number 1. Throughout the video, my main color will be these 3 shades of green. Pick thicker whipped strip to have a better visual result. I'm using a 0.7mm strip. Now cut strip according to the triangle-shaped Christmas tree.
It's Christmas Day with you, baby. This song for you 是圣诞节的礼物，记得今晚打扮成为我的迷途。我需要加大我的密度，在冬天来临变成地装的被褥。叮咛我们告别心碎，叮咛你也会有人陪。叮咛听着旋律搭配，变成我的玫瑰有多珍贵。Write me, it's Christmas Day, love me, baby, don't write me.
You don't need to be tidy. You can even include shorter ones in between. It will make it look more interesting.
你的甜美就像对我举起酒杯，踩得雪地清脆，美妙的快翻滚，每年快来这里享受机会。圣诞夜 you stay.
Roughly rearrange the strips, and when you are satisfied with the result, just glue them in shape.
You stay, 圣诞夜 you stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 you say, don't write me, it's Christmas Day, love me baby, don't write me, it's Christmas Day with you, baby. 这是一个圣诞节，4年的情绪会让你想半天。以前我也会听一首圣诞节。
Now for the ornaments, just quill some tight coil will do.
写了卡片到底能寄给谁？心碎的情节少一片止血。今年我的肚子光在放，圣诞节真的会蔓延。生活像场演不完的电影，有了伴的冬天可以不穿棉衣，贴在他的身边升温急速飞行。遇到冰天雪地还是依旧泛起涟漪。圣诞夜 you stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 you stay, you stay. 圣诞夜 you stay, you stay.
In order to give a visual a pop, also quill some green one to support on the back to give it a suspend look, so that it won't look very much flat.
Love me, baby.
together, then start quilling them.
Merry, merry, merry Christmas. Merry, merry, merry Christmas.
红色花结搭配红红的线，胸前蝴蝶，绫罗针织裙，针圈圈，系着百般兴奋的精神，带着蓬蓬的笑脸，迎接圣诞气氛笼罩了这一天。猫神在哭，我帅气发。
After finish quilling, let loose and make a loose coil. Remember to glue the end so that it won't go out of shape. Do the same thing to the other color too.
Merry Christmas to you. 来吧，小伙姐，送你最爱的甜点。来吧，小伙姐，牵手走不转的圈。
Now it's time for you to play around. Quill different sizes of loose coil and rearrange them randomly into a Christmas tree shape.
我的伙计。
Use a yellow color strip to quill a tight coil for the top of the Christmas tree.
点一支蜡烛，一起许下了心愿，我们一起度过美好的圣诞夜。来吧，小伙姐，我们有完整的熬煎。来吧，小伙姐，让快乐围绕在身边。
Now for the ribbon,
听圣诞。
use red color strip and curve it with your slotted tool and randomly place it around your Christmas tree.
来吧，小伙姐，送你最爱的甜点。来吧，小伙姐，牵手走不转的圈哦，在圣诞树挂上幸福的祈愿。Merry
Rearrange them. When you're satisfied with the result, just glue it in shape and you are done.
to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you. 我的伙计。
For the final Christmas tree, we are still using these shades of green. For this Christmas tree quilling, you will need a quilling comb tool to help you with it. If you don't have it, just use an ordinary comb or a pet comb will also do. Just go around the pins to get a long teardrop coil shape.
Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix.
Do the same to the other color strips as well. Cut some strips into half to have some shorter teardrop coil to give a variation to it.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Now let's have fun rearrange them.
To you,
I like it to be lopsided to not look too ordinary.
Christmas and a
Let's go。
又到了1年中美好的世界，街上常年街上花生笑语不断，我被掩盖在雪地里的雪。
Now let's add in some color to it. Quill some yellow loose coil to decorate the tree to give the visual a pop.
我想给你一个美好的礼物，给你一个美好享受的夜晚，这就是对你最好的 Christmas。With you， Shawty with you， with you，Shawty with you， with you，I'll never need someone。 Everyone's gotta be the one to fall。
Rearrange them. When you're happy with the result, just glue them together
和家人一起。
and you are done.
在写起盛夏，千山穿越圣诞老人今晚到来，驯鹿高高的飞上空中，阿西比每个亮丽啊 no， 现在却也正在写起盛夏。With you， Shawty with you，with you，Shawty with you，with you，I'll never need someone。 With you，Shawty with you。
Hope you liked today's video. You can tag me on Instagram to show me your version of artwork. And stay tuned for more Christmas quilling tutorial. Well, how the happy time flies, now it's time to wish you beautiful people Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
自己的心，突然发现一个奇迹 ，Hey girl，don't you buy me that way？因为